anything like me, you've probably struggled to get the perfect messy bun. It sounds so simple and so easy, but yet it can be one of the hardest styles to master. Before I got extensions, I found that every time I put my hair in a bun, it just looked off. I had this tiny little nub on top of my head and it just looked weird. But extensions have made it so I actually really enjoy the way my buns look and make it super simple to get ready. So I'm going to show you how I do my foolproof bun. You only need 3 items. So I'm going to use a little brush. I'm going to use one of these hair ties. Be careful with these. Don't leave your hair in these kind of hair ties for a long time, like many days in a row. They can be dangerous, so just be careful. And then you'll also need a clear elastic as well. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna flip your head completely over. If you have extensions, this is major key or else it's not gonna look right. Okay, so I've gathered all of my hair on top of my head like this. Okay, so take your elastic and put your thumb under the little pony part and tie it and pull it over like that. So it should look like that. Okay, so now I'm going to take everything that's left. We gather all of that, and I'm going to split it into 2. I'm going to bring that forward like this, and this is where your elastic tie comes in. Okay, so then I'm just going to make a little elastic tie right here, tie them together. Cool. So now we got this giant loop. Okay, so we're going to take this loop and we're going to twist it. Flip it upside down. Open the hole up and shove the bun through the loop. Okay, so now you probably get this little wingding back here. Just take it and tuck it into the hair tie in the back of your head. It's literally that simple. Like, I have been obsessed with this and it's taken me so long to perfect like a secure, messy bun that looks intentional. And if you need to, you can just piece little areas out. But honestly, like, this is so good, so easy, perfect for summertime. If you're in a hurry, you will love this.